Wow, being here on the bank of Yamuna River brings me so much joy. The gentle flow of water and the serene atmosphere. It's truly magical.
यमुना हमारे लिए मातुल्य है और यमुना माँ ने हमें सदियों से जीवन दिया है।
The Yamuna holds immense importance for North India. It's not just a river, it's a lifeline for millions of people, providing water for drinking, irrigation and sustenance.
But unfortunately, the natural flow of Yamuna River has been disturbed due to the construction of dams. The water levels have dropped drastically, affecting both ecosystems and communities relying on it.
Today we are here at the bank of river Yamuna. And why we are here?
Because of Yamuna Jayanti.
Because today on 14th April all over North India we celebrate this day as Yamuna Jayanti. This is not a continuous flow of water. This is not the natural flow of water because it has been stopped there and then a very limited amount of water is being let into the river. हम कई बार क्या करते हैं, हम अपनी जो कमियां हैं उनको सरकारों के ऊपर डाल देते हैं। हम सोचते हैं डैम किसने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, सरकार ने कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, पर हमें ये भी समझना पड़ेगा कि सरकार को डैम क्यों कंस्ट्रक्ट करना पड़ रहा है। Why is government forced to construct dams? Because our energy consumption is increasing day by day. Because we at our home, even in the summer time, need hot water to bath. We need to switch on our geyser every single day. Because we need ACs at our house. So when we need so much of electricity, from where it will come? We do not want to walk on the foot. We don't want to ride cycles. We want the bikes. We want the cars. If all this we need, the government only reflects our needs. Our small good habits
Will save our rivers.
Our small good habits
Will save our rivers.
Our small good habits
Will save our rivers.
Let's join hands to save our Yamuna. Together we can make a difference.
On the behalf of Rainbow Children's Academy, I want to wish you very happy Yamuna Jayanti. May the blessing of my Yamuna always be with us.